Welcome back to Car Drive Next, where we dive deep into the most exciting cars of the future, and today we're bringing you something truly legendary. The Porsche 911 GT is back for 2026, and it's not just an evolution, it's a statement. This car is an icon of performance, luxury, and precision, and Porsche has raised the bar once again with this latest model. From the first glance to the last detail, the 2026 911 GT is engineered for perfection. Buckle up, because we're going to explore everything that makes this car one of the most anticipated performance machines of the decade. The moment you see the 2026 Porsche 911 GT, you know it means business. The proportions are unmistakably 911, but this time, they've managed to make it sharper, more aggressive, and yet even more refined. The front fascia has been redesigned to optimize aerodynamics while maintaining the classic Porsche DNA. The headlights, now slimmer and more angular, integrate advanced matrix LED technology with adaptive beam functions that make night driving safer and more precise. Air intakes on the lower front bumper are not just for show, they are active aerodynamic components designed to channel air efficiently to the engine and brakes, keeping everything cool during intense performance runs. On the side, the car's stance is muscular and athletic. The fenders flare out wide, giving it a bold presence that instantly signals power. The lines are sculpted with precision, directing airflow in a way that minimizes drag and maximizes stability. The side skirts are more prominent now, hinting at the car's track-ready nature while improving underbody aerodynamics. The wheel options include lightweight forged alloys, ranging from 20 inches at the front to 21 inches at the rear, wrapped in ultra-performance Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires designed specifically for this model. The flush door handles maintain a sleek profile, and the roofline continues the 911's unmistakable silhouette, gracefully curving into the rear for that perfect blend of elegance and aggression. Move to the back, and things get even more dramatic. The wide rear haunches are a clear sign that this car is built for speed and grip. The taillights form a continuous LED light bar, giving the car a futuristic look while paying homage to Porsche's design heritage. The rear bumper is integrated with large functional vents to improve cooling for the engine and exhaust system. Speaking of exhaust, the centrally mounted titanium exhaust tips not only look incredible but produce one of the most intoxicating sounds in the automotive world. Above that sits a massive active rear wing, which automatically adjusts its angle based on speed and driving mode to provide optimal downforce on the track and minimal drag on the highway. Open the door and step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that blends racing DNA with modern luxury. The interior of the 2026 Porsche 911 GT is crafted with an obsessive attention to detail. The dashboard is clean and driver-focused, featuring a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster that can be customized to show everything from traditional dials to detailed performance data, including lap times, G-forces, and tire temperatures. The center console houses a high-resolution 11-inch touchscreen running the latest Porsche communication management system, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Porsche Connect services. Voice control is more natural and responsive than ever, and over-the-air updates keep the software fresh. The steering wheel is a masterpiece of functionality, featuring drive mode selectors, paddle shifters, and even customizable performance buttons that allow drivers to fine-tune throttle response, suspension stiffness, and exhaust sound. The seats are lightweight carbon fiber buckets, providing maximum lateral support without sacrificing comfort on long drives. Wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara with contrast stitching, they look as good as they feel. The rear seats are optional and can be replaced with a lightweight roll cage for those who plan to take their 911 GT to the track regularly. Additional touches like carbon fiber trim, brushed aluminum accents, and ambient lighting give the cabin a high-end yet sporty vibe. Now let's talk about what really matters: performance. Under the rear deck sits a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine, tuned to deliver an astonishing 525 horsepower and 460 Nm of torque. Porsche has managed to keep the engine pure, without turbocharging, to deliver an unmatched throttle response and an exhilarating 9,000 RPM redline that screams like a true racing machine. This engine is paired with a lightning-fast 7-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission that provides seamless shifts whether you're cruising or attacking corners on a racetrack. For purists, a 6-speed manual option is also available, making this one of the few high-performance cars in 2026 that still offers a manual gearbox. Acceleration is nothing short of brutal. The 2026 Porsche 911 GT sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds flat, and if you keep your foot down, it won't stop until it reaches a top speed of around 198 miles per hour. The car's lightweight construction, thanks to extensive use of aluminum and carbon fiber, combined with its rear engine layout and advanced suspension system, delivers incredible agility. Rear axle steering and an electronically controlled limited slip differential work together to provide razor-sharp handling and stability, whether you're on a tight mountain road or a high-speed straight on the track. Porsche Active Suspension Management, PASM, ensures the perfect balance between comfort and performance by constantly adjusting the damping force in real time. Braking performance is equally impressive. The car comes standard with massive carbon ceramic brakes that provide fade-free stopping power even under extreme conditions. And for those who want the ultimate control, Porsche offers an optional track package, which includes additional weight-saving measures, upgraded suspension components, and telemetry systems for analyzing lap performance. Technology doesn't stop at performance. The car is packed with advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even a new semi-autonomous mode for highway driving. However, Porsche ensures these systems never interfere with the raw driving experience. They're there when you need them, and out of the way when you don't. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Porsche 911 GT isn't cheap, but then again, perfection never is. The base price starts around $180,000 in the United States, but with options like the Satch package, which adds even more carbon fiber and track-focused upgrades, the price can easily climb over $220,000. It's a serious investment, but one that buys you one of the most thrilling and iconic sports cars ever built. In conclusion, the 2026 Porsche 911 GT isn't just a car, it's an experience. It combines timeless design, cutting-edge technology, and pure driving excitement in a way that very few vehicles can match. Whether you're a die-hard Porsche enthusiast or someone who simply appreciates engineering excellence, this car is a dream come true. If you enjoyed this detailed review of the 2026 Porsche 911 GT, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Drive Next, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think of this incredible machine. Would you choose the manual or stick with the PDK? And what's your favorite feature of the new 911 GT? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.